with more worlds of opportunity. You'll find the challenge that's right for you. The Pacific Ocean Division means more choices for exciting places, engaging work, good times, and great places to live. Like Hawaii, jewel of the Pacific, and one of the most geographically remote island chains on Earth. This is Paradise Found. Headquartered on Oahu, the Honolulu district acts as America's engineers in the Pacific. A civilian career with us can take you from the Hawaiian Islands to Guam, American Samoa, Palau, Southeast Asia, and more. Make a lasting contribution to the support of military services and other federal, state, and local government agencies throughout the Pacific. You'll work on a variety of rewarding projects in some of the world's most exotic locations. And when the job's done, you'll enjoy world-class sports, recreation, nightlife and entertainment, and Asia-Pacific cuisine. A world center of shopping and commerce, Korea is home to the Far East District. Immerse yourself in a rich artistic, architectural, and cultural history. Refine your skills in a fast-paced environment where we handle over $500 million in U.S. military and host nation-funded projects annually. And experience one of the world's most fascinating destinations. A shopping mecca, Seoul, Korea is a cosmopolitan city of 11 million. Here, name-brand outlets nestle with sidewalk vendors, antique dealers, and custom tailors. From the familiar to the exotic, Korean cuisine is renowned for an endless choice of dishes and unique array of flavors, from spicy to sublime. In the Alaska District, you'll discover professional and recreational opportunities as diverse as our country's largest state. And you'll challenge yourself with some of the largest and most varied projects the Corps has to offer. You'll take on world-class projects from coastal breakwaters to aircraft hangars, or protect water resources and manage environmental cleanup. From our headquarters near Anchorage, you're minutes away from world-class fishing, golf, downhill skiing, hiking, hunting, backpacking, mountain biking, and a host of other summer and winter activities. The Japan Engineer District is headquartered 35 miles southwest of Tokyo, an ultra-modern center of technology, commerce, and fashion. Discover this island nation's unique balance of tradition and innovation. Join our team. We are the DoD Design and Construction Agent for U.S. forces and other agencies. The work we do supports the soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, and their families in Japan. After hours, you'll find outstanding recreational activities including golf, skiing, windsurfing, and all the dining, shopping, and nightlife amenities of one of the world's most vibrant cities. No matter which district you choose, as a civilian with us, you benefit from working as a civilian in a federal workplace ranked one of the best places to work in the federal government for 2007. Overseas employment provides housing allowances or other housing support. Schools that are often among the best in the region. Overseas employment provides fully accredited schools with educational programs that inspire and prepare all students for success in a global environment. Overseas employment offers great values on a broad array of merchandise at the post exchange and commissary. Access to golf courses, fitness centers, and other military recreational facilities. Only the Army Corps of Engineers Pacific Ocean Division offers you all these worlds of opportunity. If you're looking for exciting places, engaging work, and good times, reward yourself now by starting your future today.